But that concludes this 5-mile journey around the walk around the Manasquan Reservoir. Thanks for coming out with me. I know it's a long video, so I think it's best that I cut it in segments each mile. But you know, if you enjoy it, great. If not, it's cool too. No one's obligated to watch it, obviously. But people driving all around here. Well, thank you so much for joining me on my journey, and I hope to see everyone soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time.